Hello, good morning, you guys. Welcome and good Friday morning. And I just want to say thank you for coming to join my channel this morning. Thank you for your support. If you haven't already, like and subscribe and comment down below. Hit the notification bell, and you'll know when your girl is on with some more resources for jobs. Now, this first company for this morning will be Williams Security, and it's a remote position, and it's a job role of data entry. And the starting pay is $32 to $40 per hour. And we are looking for a data entry specialist. It's a remote job. It's a flexible position. And the responsibilities for this job will be collecting and digitizing data such as invoicing, canceled bills, client information, and financial statements, maintaining a detailed and organized storage system to ensure data entries are complete and accurate, keeping a record of hard copy data such as invoices, inventory, checklists, and other financial documents. Establishing data entry standards by continually updating file systems to improve data quality. Addressing data inconsistencies by working with administrative staff to locate missing data. Attending to data queries and reporting any major data errors to management, adhering to best data management practices and maintaining a high standard of accuracy and efficiency. The qualifications for this job goes as exceptional organizational skills, a keen eye for detail, and the ability to spot errors with accuracy and efficiency. Good communication skills and the ability to collaborate with staff members. Solid time management skills and the ability to prioritize tasks. Excellent typing skills and experience working with Windows, Microsoft Office, and Google Suite. About this company, our mission is to provide our clientele with superior service that is in line with their ever-changing security and protection needs. Williams Security DBA Signal 88 Management Team strives to provide clients with an immutable security service. We pride ourselves in being a reliable, professional, and customer-focused organization. Williams Security is dedicated to conducting its operations with the highest moral, ethic, and legal standards. And this shows this job just got posted today, you guys. It is unclear about how many applicants they want to hire. It may be a lot of them. So you guys go ahead and apply to this job. If it's something that seems like you will love to do, go ahead and apply for this job. This company is called Williams Security, and the job role is data entry. And the starting pay is $32 to $40 per hour. Now, the second job that I have lined for you guys is another data entry position. It's a data entry associate with this company called Serving Seniors, and the pay will be $18 an hour for part-time and temporary positions. They're hiring for both of those types of positions, which is part-time and temporary. And this is the full job description of this job. Are you looking to make a positive impact in your local community? Do you enjoy serving individuals who are below the poverty level? Then Serving Seniors is looking for you. We are a nonprofit organization that has been part of the San Diego community for over 50 years. We are always looking for individuals who have a heart of serving our older adult clients, persons who are fulfilled by helping others. Currently, we are hiring for a data entry associate. The rate for this position is $18 an hour. This is a temporary part-time position, approximately 15 to 25 hours a week. The requirements and the summary of this job is the data entry associate will support the nutrition department of Serving Seniors. This position will be focused on data entry, database management, and other administrative tasks. This role will work closely with various members of the nutrition team to input data from paper forms into several different software and tracking systems. This position averages 15 to 25 hours per week, with all of the work being able to be performed remotely. This is a temporary position with the possibility of transitioning to a permanent position. Responsibilities for this job role as being a data entry associate goes as enter data into software systems, checking to ensure the accuracy of the data that has been inputted, resolve discrepancies in the information and obtain further information for incomplete documents, check and manage spreadsheets with large numbers of figures, verify data by comparing it to source documents, update existing data, produce reports, retrieve data as requested, sort, organize, and store paperwork after entering data, manage the integrity of data for department-wide reporting, work closely with nutrition department and IT staff, support and provide other services and duties as required. Educational experience is experience with working with Excel, experience working with databases, experience working with Microsoft Teams, a plus, high school degree or equivalent. And the skills that you'll need for this job is excellent understanding of Excel, solid understanding of the principles of database management, ability to work both independently and collaboratively to accomplish organizational goals. Other skills include customer service, attention to detail, diplomacy, and tact, time management, advanced Microsoft Office user, and professionalism. And this got posted today. It's unclear how many employees they want to hire for this company for this position of being a data entry associate, but these are this is a great job. It's a part-time job, and it's also a temporary position as well. And it starts at $18 an hour for just being a part-time associate, you guys. So go ahead and hop onto that one. That job is very awesome. Now, the third job will be a service desk technician. And if I cannot correct this, guys, I'm going to say it the best way I can. Pomeroy IT. I said it a couple of times, try to pronounce before I start this video, and then my little search on the word, but it starts at $25 to $27 per hour full time. And the qualification for this job is associate preferred, and customer service 1 year preferred, Active Directory 1 year preferred, Windows 1 year preferred, work authorization preferred. And the benefits for this job: 401k plan, dental insurance, health insurance, and paid time off. Pomeroy is currently recruiting for a service desk technician to work with our growing client located in Des Moines, Iowa. This position is a 6-month contract that will primarily work remote. The main responsibilities of this position is to respond to end users' inquiries regarding technology issues in a service desk environment. Job responsibilities. It includes incident recognition, research isolation, and follow-up steps for first and second tier issues. Provide IT-related employee communications to the company or affiliates. Provides training, presentations to end users on a regular basis on various aspects of technology and its application in the company. Recommend systems modifications to reduce user problem. Provide documentation and create knowledge base article. Consult with other information technology personnel to coordinate activities related to testing and implementing new technology. Be a key participant in user technology, implementing document creation and communication for information technology department and the end user. The qualifications: internal knowledge of MS365, Teams, Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, OneDrive, client server, network, mainframe, and applications environment. Demonstrate aptitude in incident recognition and troubleshooting, strong customer verbal and written communication skills, strong analytical and problem-solving skills, ability to prioritize and handle multiple tasks, and projects concurrently. And this company has been in business for over 35 years, and they speak a lot about what the company is all about. And once again, the starting pay for this job will be $25 to $27 per hour, and they have great benefits such as dental health insurance, a 401k plan, and paid time off. And it's an 8-hour shift, so it's a full-time job, you guys. And the pay once again is $25 to $27 per hour. And they are hiring for 4 candidates for this role, and this got posted today. They're urgently hiring. So you guys, those are the 3 jobs that I have lined up for today. 2 of them are data entry jobs, and 1 of them are IT specialist job as a service desk technician. And there are 3 remote positions. Now, you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the comment button, and turn on that notification bell, you guys. Come and get your piece of your work pie, because you are able, you are shining, and you are golden. You guys keep on going, you guys got this. That opportunity is knocking at your door. Open that positive door and get those applications in, because you are worth it. You will get that dream job you always wanted. Just keep going, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.